Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here, and it's June the 6th, Wednesday, and it's Hideaway Meat Night, and it's very quiet, at last, it has been manic, basically ever since we started, and we got a quiet one tonight, low season, and I will still show quiet. It's no bother to me. Whoop, getting up the slope. Here we are. We got Nick here tonight. How are you, mate?
Nice to be back.
Nice to be back. And his young lady wife. Sawadee Krap. Somebody, mate. Good. When's the wedding?
Oh, December, mate.
December.
You're invited. So are all the subscribers.
No, 22,000.
Yeah.
You better get a few bottles in.
That's it, mate. The 14th of December.
14th December, wedding, whereabouts?
Sriracha.
Yeah.
And the do after being Bangkra.
Right.
Bangkra. Somewhere up
We'll get a few coaches up.
Nice one, anyway. Good
Thanks.
to be back home.
Great. Yes, great to be back. Great to see you back, mate.
I thought you was going to say thanks for coming. I was going to say
I did say thanks to coming at the beginning. It's a bit quiet, and I said that at the beginning. Don't rub it in. It's low season.
Nice one.
Good luck. Cheers, Nick. Gentlemen, good evening. How are we? Oh, look, he's fit. Don't change your mind now. The what?
It's not so much me, it's the other half, isn't it?
It's the other half. She's all right. She's beautiful. So I make that. Very good for camera. Hey. Hey, Warren. Hello, mate. Warren's massage. Cyber cat. You've just had a baby.
Yeah, just a little boy.
A little boy. Harry.
I've got a little picture of it, does anybody do this?
Oh, hold on.
There's a little picture of my little boy, huh?
Oh,
Harry,
beautiful.
Beautiful, huh?
What's he now? 2, 3 weeks? 2 weeks?
2 weeks yesterday, so 15.
2 weeks yesterday. Oh, wonderful. Happy man, happy daddy.
Just like me. That's it.
Looks just like you, yeah.
Is that, yeah?
Even at 2 weeks, he's got more hair. So, congratulations, mate.
Thank you, Kev. Nice to see you.
Wish you all the best with that one. You're going to need it. Cheers, mate. The legs are in. Hey, hey. So try and keep. I always have a problem this end of the bar with the light, with the focus, with everything. So if you look like the Three Stooges, it's not me. It's not Musketeers. My apologies. Sorry, D'Artagnan. It's this end of the room all the time. It goes in, it goes out. And you've been here a few times.
Second time I think. I've only been here the first time.
You're the newbie.
I'm a virgin.
No, you're a newbie. You keep it in the virgin on the ridiculous.
From Australia, loving it.
Gold Coast.
Gold Coast.
Yeah, but we're that's too far for us.
We're from the colony, mate. The colony.
The colony. Thank you very much for coming. Cheers. Good health. See you again. See you shortly. I'll pop over.
Fantastic.
Where it's low season, it's got less and less. And
That's fantastic, mate. Thank you very much.
Will we putting out an hot dog stall next? No worries. Thanks for coming. Cheers. We got Cole. Cole's here.
Nice to meet you.
And you, thank you very much for coming.
No problem, mate. Nice to meet you.
Hey, your lady's playing pool and you're not.
Yeah, I've just lost.
Oh, she's beat you. She's now playing.
No, I lost to Chris.
Oh, yeah, Chris is an old hand on the pool table.
They're still waving like a pool.
Is he gonna? Is he? Yeah, hit and out. All right, Chris.
You're gonna have a beer or you having whiskey or...
I have a beer over there, mate.
Send it over to me then, will you? I'll get you the beer, mate.
John just bought me it.
Has he?
But
Can I put one in the tank for you?
yeah, put one. I'm allowed 3 beers, and that'll be the third.
All right, mate. Still
I
good.
might only drink 3 beers.
The girls will know what you're drinking.
Oh yes.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you very much, Con. We've got David here, Dave. Hello, Uncle Dave.
Hello, Kev, how are you, sir?
Very well, mate. Very well. Thank you very much for coming. And
I'd like to say hello to my 4 sons, if that's okay.
you certainly can.
Dennis, Charlie, William 1, and William 2. Because
Right.
William 2 is his friend, and he's exactly like William 1. I call them both my sons.
Ah, got ya. So
Alright,
let's.
son. Alright, William 1 and William 2.
Hello, the 2
See you when I
Williams.
get back from Thailand on holiday.
The 2 Williams coming at you from the Hideaway Bar.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you for coming, Dave.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching Williams 1 and 2.
Thank you
Hopefully
very much,
one
sir.
day you'll be out here. I'll probably be dead by then,
When you get a bit older.
Yeah. Give it 15 years.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming, David.
Alright, sir.
Thank you very much. Hello, mate. How are you? It's the living. Thanks for coming, mate. There's a few more. Good evening, sir. How are you?
Very well, thank you yourself.
Thank you very much for coming.
You're welcome, yeah.
And how are you?
Very good, thank you.
Cheers. Thank you for coming. Where are you from?
Northern America.
I know that. The Pattaya Thailand's not here tonight, I'm afraid. So you'll have to put up with me.
I'm from Clitheroe, mate.
Huh?
Clitheroe. Lancashire.
Lancashire.
Not far from Blackburn.
Not far from Lancashire. Takes the wind off of Yorkshire.
Blackburn's there, Clitheroe's here. You must have heard of Penderlow.
Who?
Penderlow.
Thought you said Pentonville.
No,
I've heard of that. No. But I know Lancashire.
Yeah, you're Lancashire, yeah.
Thank you very much for coming. Dresses and normally dress. Hello, darling. How are you? Somebody, mate. Good. Where you from? Blackburn. Udon Thani. Very nice. Very nice. They've got a factory up there that just makes these beautiful women. Yeah. Because they keep coming up, all the beauty. Where are you from? Udon Thani. Udon Thani. Factory, Udon Thani makes beautiful women. Thanks for coming. All right, where are you from?
From Dorset.
From Dorset. You from Dorset?
Yes,
Do you live in Dorset?
18 years.
How many?
18 years.
18 years. Wow.
19 years married.
19 years married, 18 years living in Dorset. I think you've done your time now. Normally they'd let you out on 9.5 for good behaviour. That's great to hear. Fantastic to hear.
We've been together 22 years.
Yeah. Been together 22 years, married for 19.
19 years this August, yeah.
And in the UK for 18 of them. That is proof it does work. You can't deny that. It does work. Remember that. Thank you very much for coming, and thank you for that story. Thank you. Wonderful. I have hope. Oh, there's some hope. Some hope and some dope. In America, that's good to say dope.
Say hello to Mum. She wishes she could be here.
Oh, yeah. Don't want him to much. She misses me. I miss Mum. Hey. Well, it can't be long there till you're seeing them, is it? Yeah, he doesn't want to talk about when he actually has to go back to the UK.
Not long for the back.
Oh, mate.
Let me see you anyway, Kev.
Thank you very much. God bless the mum. And tell her I miss her as well.
And my dad.
And me dad, I don't miss him. Good evening, young man.
How you doing, Kev?
Very well, thank you. Somebody, mate.
Hello, สวัสดีค่ะ
Sawadee-ka.
I'm from Thailand, you know. Thailand.
Yeah, whereabouts? Udon Thani.
No, มหาสารคาม
Mahasalakam.
อีสาน North East from
That but he said.
Shakes us an interview.
Okay. When you guys from Pattaya or Thailand, Thailand is lovely.
Thailand is the most beautiful country in the world. That, yes,
Nice people, yes.
one beautiful people.
Hello, people.
Hello, people.
Hello, Thailand, yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh,
Nice to see you.
yeah, yeah.
Your threads on, Kev?
Yes, I will show my shirt again shortly
Lovely.
with the Australian gentleman that brought it to me tonight, who's sick of seeing me in knockoff golf shirts. See, it works wearing the old shit.
Yeah, come on, hand me down.
Thank you, darling. Thank you. Thank you. Speak to you soon.
Yeah, nice one.
Yeah. All right. Good evening, John. John and Ron. We met Ron a few weeks ago, and he's been around since.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. You've been to see Johnny. There's something happening in Hurricane. Simon, Land of Smiles. Now you're back here.
Two times Pattaya.
So it's twice here. Yes. And it was your first time.
First time ever. First time ever out of the United States.
And I couldn't do much because the first time I saw you, it was the meat night, and I have to go and see everyone.
Right. Just come down here
And,
That's it.
and then you got better time on your own with Johnny and with Simon, and you've enjoyed it.
I've enjoyed every single minute of it.
Brilliant. And you'll be working out, and you're coming back to live.
I'm sure I'll be back.
Yeah, I'm
No doubt
sure
about it.
you will.
If I live,
I've watched the videos. I'm sure you will.
I thought they kept telling me, you're coming back, there's no doubt.
Yes.
Just
Yeah.
like they kept telling me, you're going back to Pattaya. And I said, no, I'm not. I came here and I was going to go to Bangkok from here. No, you're going back to Pattaya. We know you are. And here I am.
Here you are. Here you are. Great to see you again, Ron.
See you again.
And Johnny, there's something happening. And Simon, Land of Smiles, brilliant job looking after this gentleman.
Yeah.
You are a couple of diamonds.
Plus, there were 3 subscribers that met me the first day I was here, and they took me all around and showed me around for the first 3 days. They really held my hand.
Yeah.
That made all the difference. Yet then they said, you're on your own. Call
You're
us
on
if
your
you
own. You're on your own.
need." I was.
If he talks like a man, it's got big feet. Believe me. Believe me.
I got big feet. Don't believe all
That's
of
it.
it.
Yeah, that's it.
And you're from America, from
Oklahoma,
Oklahoma,
right in the middle of the country.
right in the middle. And you're here with your best mate, your new best mate tonight,
Johnny from the Gold Coast.
Johnny from the Gold Coast. Couldn't be further apart.
That's it, bro.
And this is Thailand. This is Pattaya. You've always got friends. You always meet people. And John has brought me a special Gold Coast 2018. He said, I'm sick of seeing you.
Commonwealth Games.
Commonwealth Games, yeah, I got
Bowled who? Who's the bowl?
Who cares? He lost.
He lost.
And
Kevin
he's sick of seeing me in dodgy knockoff golf shirts.
Now he's got a proper shirt.
And he was enthralled, when we started doing the hideaway, the meat nights, because
I have my own hideaway shirt.
he has his own, the hideaway kitchen and bar, with a Buddha,
On a Buddha.
on a Buddha, in the Gold Coast. So things happen and things happen for a reason.
Thank you, Kev.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
Either way, unbelievable. Gold Coast, got me a shirt.
We're lucky that the Boss golf shirt has now been burnt.
Yes.
We won't be wearing it again.
I did arrive in an Adidas knockoff.
He's had that 42 years, that shirt.
Something like that, yeah.
Probably.
Hey,
He still plays
I'll
off
better
17.
change it or he's going to hit me.
He's having an operation at Pattaya Hospital tomorrow to get that shirt off.
Thank you thank you very, very much, mate. God bless you.
Thank you very much.
Well, God bless you, sir.
Take care.
And
Enjoy the every minute.
we know we're going to see you back. Absolutely.
Have a mouthful before I go.
I have one. I have one.
Looks like I'll have another one in a minute.
Put it in the bin. Okay, sing like.
So I'll break it, wait, and get going.
Thank you. Oh, you're going to get, yeah, you got to get off. Evening, young man.
Hey, Kevin.
Dean and Sean. There was another Sean over there, didn't want to be on. So you can take that Sean's place.
No problem.
This is the new Sean. He said, I don't want to be on. I said, what's your name? He said, Sean.
Yeah.
So you'd have thought yeah, two Sean's in it and one Kevin.
Just got to look at his name.
There's John's and Von. There's a Dean. Good evening, Dean. Steve. I'm an idiot. There's a Steve Dean. How are you, mate?
Enjoying the sun.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you very much for coming. He's plastered. 5 to 10, Stevie Dean's plastered. Thank you very much. And that's it tonight. Very quiet. Very low season now. Good for me. Good for the people. Well, there's so many people there, it's difficult to get around for them all to hit me. So anyway, Gold Coast. What more can I say? Thank you very much for watching. If you liked it, give it a like, thumbs up, share. Subscribe, why not? You don't have to, but you know it makes sense. And we'll see you again soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.